usually how we work things out. Is if Paul fits, then we'll all fit. Got another one for you. There is barbed wire everywhere here. Apparently there's some abandoned cars, even some abandoned vans. Let's go and have a look, shall we? It's overgrown in here, isn't it? Oh, hello, Paul. How are you, mate? Yeah, well, you know, getting through them fences. We're not all nimble like yourself, mate. Now look at this. There's quite a bit of stuff here, isn't there? Oh, yeah. It's actually still quite cool, isn't it? Oh, yeah. What do you reckon then? They used to slide open on the side. The wheels are disintegrating into nothing. Oh no, they're still there. They are still back there. Oh, the rubbish everywhere. Bits of lube on the side.
Dried out lube, that's no good.
Cool.
That's cool, machinery's in it.
Is it?
Why can't I get up on the back?
Bloody hell. Wow, the natural daylight coming through the roof is beautiful, isn't it?
Open plan.
Open plan living.
Who would want to live in? Oh, look, there's an old car.
We got an old car. What we got? Yeah, it's because there's no roof, mate. And he's cool. I like him. Look at that. Very cool. Here we go. What we got?
Everywhere we go, we got a fridge.
Oh, don't. Oh, it's already open. That's a good thing. Happy days. Yeah, dirty old fridges. Those spray cans. What's it? What's that got bolted onto it? Oh, I don't understand what that is, to be honest. Yeah, there's old units, look. They've done all the work on. God, there must have been a massive fire in there at some point. It's massive, isn't it? Don't look this big from the outside. What you got? Oh my God.
It's like a tractor front or something. It's an engine, diesel engine.
Oh yeah.
Well, that is a front grille.
I reckon that's just a generator of some sort.
Really?
Yeah, but it does look like a front grille, doesn't it? Like there's the old radiator fill cap. Oh, I reckon it's probably a generator. Only because of the size of it. Otherwise, what would it have been? A fucking train?
That's an old metal mill, isn't it?
What, for bending and stretching or whatever? I don't know.
Cutting, isn't it?
Cutting.
See, that would have had loads of drives off that. Belt drive, that looks like.
Yeah, it looks like the pigeons have been using this for a nest. That's cool though.
Looks like that's a belt drive. Loads of belts would have gone around it, doesn't it?
Oh yeah.
Does it run something else?
Definitely a generator then, isn't it? It's got to be.
Something like that.
Do you reckon it's fuel pack, yeah?
Yeah, it's fuel patch up there.
Oh yeah,
Fuel tank on top.
Yeah, that's cool. It's well old, whatever it is.
Look at the pistons.
Jesus, they're massive. The size of them.
That's a big end.
It just. God. Bless her.
She run like a true for once.
I bet it did as well, yeah. What's he got? Let's have a look. Oh, it's not going to take much to get her going. What are we missing? Expansion tank? Quite a bit.
Look at the tappets. Totally rusted together.
Yeah, it's ruined, isn't it? Poor thing. What is it? Yeah, that's exactly what I was going to ask. Almost looks...
Looks like a Morris, doesn't it?
for some reason, because of this back bit, I've got an NG coming in mind. Look at that. Look at them lines. Been set on fire. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Why
For the back seats.
Morris? It's probably in.
I don't know. It's making me think. Christ. Them back seats.
Somebody will tell us in the comments.
Only 2 careful owners, 35,000 miles on the clock. Full service history. Last service in 1942, but still.
Smaller, and I ain't got time, but you've got a seat over there, Will. Build the old car.
He put it all back together.
Have a seat.
Cat S.
Yeah, just a bit of structural damage.
Yeah, that's not going to get fixed. That's.
Here's the bumper. Somebody paid us money for that. Anybody wants a bumper or one?
There you go. We've got one for you. Actually, don't look too bad a condition either.
Bit of tea-cut, be alright.
Bit of tea-cut should come straight up.
Brato.
We've been to some destroyed sites, but this one, it's just rubbish piled up everywhere. There's another seat out of some old car. There's loads of hoses and that in there. Cables. Don't know what they're for. Have a quick look and see what's out there, shall we? Yeah, it goes up a bit. Oh, seen this? There's a whole nother bit. There's a whole nother building on the back. That don't go through there though, does it? I don't think it went through. Because there was a picture of that fella. Yeah, we would have missed it. We would have missed it. Christ. Look at all the stuff everywhere, mate. Oh, that's a cool bit of artwork and all. I like that. Yeah, she's cool. She needs a bra on, bless her. It must be a bit cold out. It's like a little meeting place. They got a fire up the other end and all sorts. A little gas fire. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, the old colour gas heaters. That's old, that is. Look at the shape of that. A miner. It does look like it actually, doesn't it? That's cool. Loads of car bits, yeah. Don't know what that door's off. Look at the old handle though. Beautiful. Beautiful old thing. Must have been abandoned a while, this one.
This has been years, this.
Yeah. It was years ago that it must have been on fire, surely. Must have been. Colour gas heater, that. So that's another heater there, isn't it?
They've got cars in here as well.
Yeah, right. I'm guessing, I'm assuming because of the car bits, yeah.
I think it's just a garage, isn't it?
It was an old boat builder's yard.
Oh, is it?
That's what it was. That's one of them AA things there, isn't it? Like no, it's not an AA thing. Do you know the things I mean though? Like the badges that go on the front of the grills.
Another heater.
That is an old heater.
Yeah.
That's
the
cool.
old paraffin heater, isn't it?
Yeah, that's wow smart that is. I bet that could get working again.
Probably would, yeah. Wouldn't take much.
There's probably a whole car underneath all that.
There is. Did you just say there's a car under it?
Yeah, I said there probably is.
Yeah, look.
Is there actually?
On it, the headlight I can see.
Look at all these little parts.
There's literally a bonnet. Yeah, it's a front bonnet again and a headlight.
Oh, this is well cool. Oh yeah! Oh look! I swear I didn't see that either.
They're oldies though, aren't they?
Well old. Yeah, can you see the headlight? Look. She's hiding under there. Loads of old paperwork on the floor. Chester Harbour. West Witterings. Repairs 12 grand. Storage 8K. What? 8K for storage? It's in 1980. You can't charge them prices.
Chuck the old boy.
It's charging 8 grand for storage.
8 grand.
8 grand in 1980 by the looks of it. What got it now, Dolby?
That's a big boat.
That was a massive boat. I said, oh yeah.
Office or whatever, isn't it?
Oh, smells a bit more burny in here. The boathouse at the front, obviously, so you've got the walkways, or the runways for the boats rather. And these back here for cars.
Yeah, what if that was it then? That was the boat house at the front. This was something to do with cars. But it's
Possibly. I actually don't know. We might be able to find a little bit out online. I only found out about this one the other day. And as we were so close, definitely worth a goose. So weird, didn't they? The old little offices. Spooky. Brando's found another one. This place is never ending, yeah. Everywhere we go, it seems to be never ending these days.
Is that?
Oh yeah, that old little kitchen or something. Or a storage room maybe. All the old windows, that's crazy. Let's go and have a look. Hello? Oh my bloody god, look at the size of it! What's going on?
What?
Oh, alright.
Have a little goose up on that one.
Where? What, up the stairs?
Yeah, you can go to the top and stand on the brick wall. What's going on?
What's that?
Nothing up here.
Something running over the roof. Fox or something?
Yeah, probably.
Bigger than a bird, that one, but
This place is spookier than Westbury Mansion.
we'll cut there and see how you feel.
Filing cabinet. Big
Stood
old
on,
file.
stood on that top step and stuff off to the wall, and then you can see the whole top floor. But the rafters are like moving. Staircase is fine.
Nice.
The step from there.
Oh my, yep, watch out. Oh.
Get onto that centre brick.
Oh yeah, look at that. Whoa.
Yeah, just a step right across from this top beam. I didn't stand on the middle bit of beam when I was
No, straight
right
over,
that
yeah.
wall.
Gotcha.
Gives you a view of the whole thing.
Christ.
Something like that.
Wow.
Something like that.
Oh, Paul. There's a doorway.
I know. Oh,
We can't, can we? We can't. We don't mind risking it sometimes.
After it moves.
Yeah, I bet it does as well. Look at it. It don't look good. I really want to. I'm not going to though. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. This place is destroyed.
Tested it though.
I'm just testing it a bit. It is solid. That beam is solid. There's going to be nothing in there worth looking at, is there? That's true. There's still more to go. So, oh, there's another door over there. Right. Have you had a look up here already, Brando?
No.
Yeah, I'll get out your way, mate. Oh, hang on. I can hear your old man.
I'm like down here. You might be able to get up. There's another staircase.
He's through the floor.
There's a staircase here which goes up to there.
Right. I'm coming down. Brando's having the goose. Let's have a quick goose down this end. Oh, they've made it into a little skate park. I mean, these are quite good, aren't they? There's the old washing machine. Travel something limited. Oh yeah, we got some accounts. What we got here then? Might tell us what it was. To collect the delivery of a wheelchair. Channel Islands, 1977. Sister Renoir, St Saviour's Hospital. There's loads of like little receipts, little accounts and stuff like that. So I was trying to see like if you could work out what this place was used for back in the day. A collection of wheelchair. But that says Channel Islands, so I don't know what. Strange. Old though, 1970 something, wasn't it? There's an old car seat again. Brando's been up that bit. He assures us there's nothing there. There's nothing there, he assures us. We'll poke you up. I'm not going up there. Oh, spider webs everywhere. There you go. There you go. Was Brando telling us the truth?
Find out. Yeah, both staircases are a no-go.
Are they? They're still loafing that old seat.
He said that we could throw you up.
We actually can.
The line.
Just throw me across it.
Throw you up. That staircase, there's another one in there. Just looked at how that's this wood.
Oh look, there's a front seat there. What do you reckon they're out of? Oh, it's got the fold down arm on the side. How cool is that? Yeah, but the thing is, all the old cars had luxury seats like that in them, didn't they? Yeah.
Yeah, what do you think
What we
get
got?
up there? Boost you up.
Yeah, it looks like a prison.
We'll boost you up there on that carpet that's falling through the seat.
No, we'll give that a miss. We'll give that a miss. Look at that dirty old horrible carpet. That's disgusting. Violent, that is. Crikey.
Be no good for you. We've got aircon on.
Prehistoric aircon.
Oh, that's worn up. That's a heat thing, that is. That's worn up to what?
Oh, there's just stuff upon stuff, isn't there?
Something to do with heat up.
Loads of it. Look at. Did you look at it out here?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at it. Christ, yeah. I wonder why they haven't demolished this already.
Yeah, that is weird, isn't
It is dangerous, isn't it? It's proper dangerous.
it? We're not meant to be in it.
We only go for the dangerous places up.
We do as well.
Is it because we're stupid?
Probably. Look, there's a couple more car seats back here. There must have been quite a few left in it. It's got the old fold down bit on the back. You're
How's it go?
brilliant. Oh, there's a sign up there. Cars. Classic cars.
There you go.
Twyford Moor. Twyford Moor's classic cars. Here we go. We'll have to have a little look up on him. The old Twyford Moor.
Nice and soft, isn't it?
Looks like you left them all behind, mate, when you disappeared. Jesus, where are you two going?
Why cruise up?
Crikey.
Even this is soft.
There's that ancient aircon that Paul just mentioned. Oh, there's just piles and piles of rubbish in here. I'm sure there's some goodies about as well, like some old school things, vintage bits. We're stepping over this, are we?
Yeah.
Bloody hell! You're scared to go up there, but this is all right.
Adventure, isn't it?
An adventure.
You're only on top of table there. Have a look. 15 quid. B&Q there, you Ben. Yeah, that's that rickety old staircase. I was on about this one, but it's not attached to a wall, so
Yeah,
a
that
bit of a problem.
probably don't sound great, does it?
It's missing a few steps, but
Yeah, I'd feel safer going across from that doorway that we was up there.
you want to do it, don't you?
I kind of do, yeah, but it is
It is
pointless.
This is the bit that looked really like a long hallway, wasn't
We're definitely not getting up them steps. This is really small and dingy in this one, isn't it? I don't like the really low ceilings. All the old electric boxes, that. The old doors. Cool. Why are the doors... Look, I'm not the tallest bloke in the world, but what's going on with them doors? Do you reckon Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs were down here working on the classic cars?
That is weird, isn't it?
Look at it. I'm physically going to have to crawl through that. I'm so tall. It's unbelievable. An explorer's not complete without inspecting the toilets. The inspezione. Oh yeah, look at the state of these.
Look at it. Look at that.
Congealed. Oh god. Yeah. Nice.
This has been gone for a long time. Them plug sockets here are totally rusted off the wall. Literally gone, look, the switches.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
It's been a long time.
Yeah, but could that have been the heat from the fire, do you reckon?
Because
the
the
wall-
wall in here though, do it?
It don't actually. And that all looks like damp, doesn't it? Yeah, I'd say all that's... Oh yeah, look at the... Fucking hell, it's got a bush growing behind it. Go then.
Make sure you flush the tray.
Yeah, make sure you flush and wash your hands. Thank you. Where are we going here? Crikey.
This is like a little...
Just keeps going, Paul, don't it? Look, there's another room out there. So there's a garage door there, by
Yeah,
the looks of it.
that's that bit where we came in, I think. Where we come from the front. There's the old side here.
God, what for the boat building? Nice.
Yeah, I think that's where we came in down there.
Is it?
Yeah, I believe so. Have a look.
Spider webs everywhere. Still, like Westbury Mansion when we went up there, that made me laugh with hardly any spider webs.
There's a lawnmower, same as Westbury.
Is that what it is?
Yeah, there's always a lawnmower and a fridge.
Uh-oh.
Mark his territory.
Did I miss the toilet?
Well, there's a door on this one at least.
Got in here another fridge. That's the old electrical unit.
Bit up there. Look, see, look, the door goes through. That's what that would be down there. You'd
Yes,
go
you
through
would
and
go
it'd
up
be
here.
nothing. Little serving hatch window, Paul.
Can't beat a serving hatch.
Can't beat a serving hatch. Hello?
Hello?
Where's... Alright, Barky. Triple rum and coke, please. Oh, yeah, there's a lawnmower, look. Brilliant. There's quite a bit of stuff in there, isn't there? It's like they've thrown it all into one place.
They always do, don't they?
Yeah. Yeah, before they call it a day.
I don't exactly get why they...
And then, because it makes sense if they're going to send a removal company up to clear it all out in one go.
He didn't come and do it, did
It seems that the removal company never turn up.
he? I mean, they've been here a long time.
Yeah, that's well old, that is.
Place has been shut.
What was that creepy house that we explored? And do you remember that old fridge in there?
Oh yeah, the old...
That looks older than
Yeah.
that. Was it an old doctor's surgery, wasn't it?
Yeah. Oh, GTAC. An old wooden box.
It's actually quite smart. Be a cool LP box.
Exit.
Christ, who knows? Oh yeah, there's the car opposite us. That is it then. We've explored this one.
Legit that we got a car though, haven't we?
That's really cool. And loads of car bits. Oh my, watch above there. Look at that beam.
That's that.
Yeah, don't do that. I'm just about to walk through it.
See what the thing's bent because of the heat. See how much it's bent because of the heat from the fire.
Oh yeah,
Big.
yeah. Would have been holding some weight as well, you imagine, wouldn't you? And there's the car again. We didn't really have here. Maybe there's a room. Oh no, we did look there. And we looked up there. We've done it. Completed. There's that bent beam that Paul was just mentioning. Look at that thing.
But how have we done it? That looks like a little side building up there going down with the roof. Wonder if you can get around the other side. Was that where we were? No, we didn't come up that far. Have a look round here, innit?
Yeah, that's where that lawnmower is, Paul.
Oh, yeah.
That's where that lawnmower is. Paul's found a little opening here. So this is to the front. We haven't made it to this bit yet. We're going for
Two
it.
big rooms, can do.
Oh, hello. Ooh. We're in. We're in. That's alright, Brando. You'll squeeze through that. Here we go. Those nails in the wall. They'd have been for the keys, wouldn't they, back in the day? There's more of that electric wire I saw in the crate round the other side. What is that? Oh, I've no idea. Pass on that one. More electrics. So this is... There's a boat. We found a boat. And outside as well. Ah, let's have a goose. There's them sliding doors. We found a boat.
Yeah. And they look like two empty toilets, maybe.
Two empty toilets.
Well, I'd say those toilets, something, I don't know.
Little outhouses. Yeah. No, it's a shed or something.
Shed or something, that one's the same.
Cool. So they were making boats, weren't they? Obviously boat builders. Yeah, you could get some fiberglass and make out a boat yourself, couldn't you, using that? That's cool. The old trailer as well, look at that old thing. It's got wheels that you see on a golf buggy. What we got? Nothing. No, must have probably just a bit of storage again, Paul. I think even when this place was open,
It was still a mess.
it still looked a mess, yeah.
It's like one of those pikey garages you see, isn't it?
Yeah, so this would have been all the boat builders stuff, wouldn't it? Yeah, look at the low ceilings. I couldn't work in this all day. Couldn't work in this all day. I wouldn't like this. Yeah, the old SO drum nut.
Wonder if that's been shut off, the actual power there.
What do you think they're for, Paul?
Hey?
What do you think they're for?
They're formers again, aren't they?
To make what?
Don't know, make something. It's definitely a former, fiberglass former.
That's really cool.
Do you reckon that the actual power is shut off, like to the main core, in?
Disconnected. Yeah,
Reckon?
they're just, yeah, 100%. Just to save from fires and stuff like that.
Fuse box.
And these are in nearly every room in this place. Because I filmed most of them.
Look at that. Look at the old fuses.
Bloody hell.
Yeah.
Size of that
Seen them
piece.
before.
Yeah, that's massive.
They just took them out and left them on the side, didn't they?
You can imagine some of the power that this place had to draw, though.
660 volt.
Yeah, some big fuses. Not walking across with any of that, I'm afraid.
Smell that. Smells like an old scrapyard, doesn't it?
I'll be honest
Love
with
that
you.
smell.
Yeah, glad you said it because I was going to say I like that smell as well.
Well, to me, it's just taking pictures. Lucky old Smith, isn't it? Lucky old Smith.
To be fair, we're quite good because we get in nearly anywhere we try with the little gaps. Oh, we're going to have to walk out then, aren't we?
Shoe all.
I don't think we're going to get into that other little room. There's someone there. Just go. Don't worry about them.
Well, we're inspecting this, and
We've been and finished now.
Huh?
So who cares? We've been and finished, didn't we? So who cares?
Definitely need an inspection. This is going to fall straight down.
It's got to come down. got the gun down. Oh, I see what you're doing. You're pretending to the old boy that we were supposed to be here. Yeah, I've got you.
See, look, he fell for it.
Fell for it. He's on his phone already, he
Yeah,
is.
the old Bill's on their way.
Yeah, you got it. There's that little room there. There's a goddamn beautiful soap before they got on it. Yeah, we're not getting in that one. Probably could if we really tried, but pulls and shorts. Pulls and shorts. So's Brando actually.
It's a beautiful day. I think, look, these are like the urban explorers. Oh, the back.
We'll film you, Paul.
Nice.
Just gonna stay there.
Sun it.